Hi everybody, Tom and Amy here again.
Hi!
Today we've got all the new Lego Series 9 minifigures.
Ooh!
And we're going to show you what to feel for so you can get the ones you want. Over the next several videos, we're going to open up all the packs and show you each one.
Hi, Amy here, and I have the Forest Maiden. Now, notice how the package is pretty thick, okay? One of the reasons is because of her dress, which I feel right here. It's a large angular piece, and she's one of 3 girls with a dress. But I can confirm that this is the Forest Maiden because I can feel her bow and arrow. It feels like the outline of a D with a stick going through it. Now, and plus, just so you know, you might feel the shield. Now it's time to open it. Boop. Yeah. Now let's put her together. Look, her hair is rubber. Okay. Now we give her bow and arrow. See? It does kind of look like a D with the stick going through it. Give her this. And we also...
Okay, here's a shot of the Forest Maiden assembled. Okay, now as I turn her, of course there you can see her bow and arrow and her dress. You can see she has a lot of long hair in the back. And there from the side you can see she's holding her shield. And there she is. And remember, she's got that long hair in the front and in the back.
Don't want to mess with her.
Okay, I've got another pack here, and this pack contains the waiter. First of all, notice that it's a very thin pack because there are no large pieces. And the way you tell it's the waiter is you find the bottle, the wine bottle that he carries, and it's just a small, sort of long and round piece. And then also to confirm, you find his tray, which is kind of the size of a small shield, but it's a flat round piece, which you might kind of be able to see here. So, okay, let's open them up and take a look. Okay, okay, there we go. Here's the waiter. Okay, and he has a regular men's hairpiece, and here's his tray, which is not actually completely round like I thought it was. And there's the bottle. Okay.
Hi. This is a close-up look at the waiter. He has a fancy mustache, but you can't feel that. Anyways, he'll be serving you and your group with his fanciest tux on. Now, his bottle. It can't snap onto the tray, so he has to balance it on his tray. See? You can easily move it around on there. He'll be serving you soon. Hi, it's Amy here with the chicken soup guy. Bark, bark, bark. Okay, the first thing you can tell about the chicken soup guy is his headpiece. His headpiece, on the top of it, it has bumps on it. Okay, I'm feeling it right here. Okay, and now the big giveaway. The big giveaway is his torso. Okay, now he doesn't have arms. He has wings. They're big and wide and kind of bumpy. Now, let's see the chicken. Let's see if he does the chicken dance. Chicken! Let's put this guy together. Okay. So, unfortunately, he does not come with an accessory. But this guy's really cool. See?
Okay, here's a close-up of the chicken suit guy. And we'll turn him.
Isn't he excellent?
Notice those large wings. Okay, that's the chicken suit guy.
Bark, bark, bark. That's see you later in chicken.
Okay, in this pack, we've got the Judge. Now, the Judge, this is a little bit thicker pack, not quite as thick as the Forest Maiden, but the thick part is, of course, his hairpiece or his wig, and it's got two long parts in the front, but not in the back. And the way to confirm that it's the Judge is by finding the gavel, which is down here. Of course, it has a long, thin handle, and then the thicker mallet on the thicker head on the end. Okay, let's open them up here. And there's the hairpiece. Oh, and one other thing about the Judge is the Judge has a robe, but the robe is a cloth-like piece, and when you're trying to find him, don't really even think about this, because in the foil pack, you'll never feel this. So, but here's his mallet, and let's put him together quickly. Put his robe on. Looks. And actually, I was wrong. There is a long piece in the back as well. And this headpiece is a little rubbery as well. Okay. And
Order in the court. Order in the court.
all right.
Watch out. He will serve you. Dun 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 dun.
Okay, and here is a close-up of the Judge. Again, you can see that hair. That's a little bit soft. Okay, of course, his robe, his hair, and there's his gavel. Okay, and that's the Judge.